back in them hometown. Oh, you up in the air already. They don't know so I ate there. Nice easy rice, is it?
You know what, bro? I'm being never done with food in a family of life.
The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
Oh no, the leverage, yeah. Gonna know from the soon pull over, you know, the long time supporter them know a thing going. Day ones them, you know, from the sea black pull over, pull out in the nose, airport time I will go. Finally back to Jamaica. You see me? So right now we're gonna do a quick airport run. We're in Fort Lauderdale right now. And yeah, just come out of the TSA and everything, so I just go look right now, look at which gate today. G5 right now. Oh, other way. So so you know a thing go, we are checking now, we're going at the plane. You see me? Yeah, Jamaica, quick vlog. So right now, we are going at the plane right now, we are walking down the thing, you see me? You know a thing go, you know a leverage nation, we out here. So here, and right now is an empty flight, same here. You see me? Look.
When exiting the aircraft, hold on the red tab at the bottom of the vent to inflate. It can also be inflated by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. Remember, do not deflate your vest until you exit the aircraft. The slides at the front and back exits can be detached and used as ramps. There's also an additional life raft located in an overhead compartment near the rear doors.
Oh,
In the event of an emergency, follow flight attendant commands and leave
right now we are about to take off.
Federal aviation regulations require your compliance with lighted information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including the seatbelt and no smoking signs.
So,
All Spirit Airlines flights are non-smoking.
Fully
Smoking,
Spirit.
including the use of electronic cigarettes or vaping devices, is never allowed on board at any time. And federal law prohibits tampering.
before we take off, we don't know, so we give God thanks, everything is easy. You know I love
This time, everyone needs to be off of their cell phones, please. No phone calls. Everyone, please off.
What you're going on now? See the window them elevate up. Remember the wing them. Yeah, leveragation. So it was not chat to no man, I don't know how to fly, but a straight in my going in my kind of, who they said late but on time, you see me? Yeah, cause me hear them that call me on the intercom. Cause even with the bag, they get extra check. It was a little bit crowded in the airport. So rush a little bit to go on the plane, but overall, still would have to wait a little bit. Now, we're about to take off. Yeah, man, so check in and see where I go on Leverage Nation. Don't know, we don't want to make up too much noise in the plane. So, you know, I think, come on, we are showing it take off and landing and do it. Yeah, man. So, the real Leverage Nation people, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you know. Yeah, man, always remember to support the channel. You don't know, I think great thing I got turn up Jamaica, not normal. Yeah, man. So, right now, just there, wait. Take off and do the right thing. Let her do whole heap of twist and turn and go along in. So still there in Fort Lauderdale airport. Same way, you know. I guess they must straighten up for go up on the runway, you know. About the left turn is a left in our Leverage Nation. So watch out now, I saw them go so now. Watch out. This is one of my favourite part. Them in a worse if you want to have somewhere to go. Yeah, just see go so bombs and dust. Yeah, you hear the noise now? Yeah, watch out. Take it or take off now. Speed up. Speed up. Go there. Go there. At here already. Look where I go on. Look where I go on. That's a 95. So I want to get the wonderful view. So, gonna check in and see where I go on, you see me? Now overdo it. That's a leverage, man. anyhow stop.
Welcome to Kingston. We know you're ready to go, but please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we arrive at the gate and the seatbelt sign is turned on. Also use caution when opening the overhead bins. Items do shift during flight. If you need special assistance, such as a wheelchair, please remain seated until the end of the deplaning process. That's when the wheelchairs will be available and when we can best assist you. On behalf of the Fort Lauderdale-based crew, we'd like to thank you guys so much for choosing Spirit today, and we look forward to welcoming you back on a future Spirit Airlines flight.
Yeah, leverage nation. Reaching us. Reach that place, reach on the ground. For some reason the flight I feel longer. I don't know why. Maybe because this time around I took longer to go. So again leverage nation, straight travel. I gotta keep on do. But yeah, we're happy. Reach it, give God thanks to make it safe and yeah man. You know the leverage, so now we are just going in a place and check out and all of this stuff. Right now during the week, so it never busy. Yeah, that one was kind of weird though. As in, most every flight I got different, but the way up we reach at the airport and then go straight because the security that take long for search the bag them and them things. So as I reach out, me all of them call me. As I know, you see me? So, we're not a rush. Body a rush, right? We're not a rush. Because reach, you know? Yeah, so everybody I get up and I go, you know. So, you know leverage nation, Jamaica. Back in them hometown. you know a thing go leverage nation. There go a customs or whatever you want to call it, immigration. So you know we can't record in that. So you know a leverage, man. Out here reach. Oh, good, man. Oh, this one right there. Reach. Yeah, leverage nation out of the airport right now. Wait. That is it, you know. You know, a leverage come on, we're out here in our hometown, Kingston, Jamaica. Look. So you know a leverage, man. Always. This time it was different, you know. It was always a good experience. Travel overall. So we're gonna see where Jamaica after, but it's been a while. I'm back. Yeah, man. So you know a thing, but yeah, we're there. Leverage nation, we're there at Jamaica right now, you see? Yeah, you know leverage, man. We just out here, you don't know all the vibes reach, you know. So I'm gonna take off the airport. I should have been take off this already, so you don't know. Yeah. So we just there, man. Probably go. I don't know what I'm doing yet. We're just winging it right now. Yeah, you know leverage, man. And so leverage boss is back in Jamaica. You don't know anything, go. Yeah.
Nine. Come on, look at this number here. 9 number, look at it. Come on, nine. Come on, you are key.
Yeah, man, show them the robots, man.
Great boost!
Yeah,
Robot,
that's a leverage, man. You know leverage station. Robot. I want to see I though. I see a post out there.
Driving school.
Eh?
Driving school.
Yeah, driving school. Yeah. Yeah, man, leverage nation. You see, if you want to do driving school, he's the man to contact. Driving school, you see me?
There's driving school, Instagram.
Yeah.
Active.
Fully. You say I mix the money with the business card or just the business card alone? Money and business card.
Public quick.
I want to say money itself a business card.
I
want to say money itself a business card. So money soon pays away, bro. Money, the people that kill themselves for food pays away. You have to give thanks, to this way of you breathe, you have life, you can do everything, just give thanks.
Just give thanks.
You think me? All of this I go boil down now, you see?
That's like cash up.
It's like a ride. And the money that come, money that all of them 1,000 and 5,000, you walk past my road like a $1. So they know that you tell me.
You wonder what kind of thing I want.
You see, if you just get up and understand life and try to study life right, you'll get brainwashed. You have to just try to understand life. You have to see the way, brother. You know what I told more and me, brother, I'm good enough for me of life, you know.
You know something?
Something must happen, bro.
I'm going to come from here.
Let me say, you don't worry about things and do certain things with me, bro. You just live. You go out there and get paid for money and whatever we do, you just go born, brother, you have life, you have breathe. That's a richness.
This is life, health and strength. That's the most
The funny thing,
important.
one of them something that them think that them use and brainwash.
They look for the money there. Go for the people that money.
Or they did too. But them brainwash you with vanity, brother. Every year they come in something look better and better for people. I know. So you have to have one somebody starting to cook up. Jano, Tida did Jano, no, get look London, you know, Tida did you want to be bigger than everybody.
The man said, him give up not really feel. And he go buy 3 ripe banana finger
Yeah. Alright.
and buy a piece of rope and go up to the tree and make the knot and put the rope over my head and name the 3 ripe banana and throw them the skin down on the ground. And you see a man a pass that come in at the tree. And you see a man a pass and take up the 3 banana skin and name it. The man said, why? You know gone so. That man worse than me.
Oh, okay.
You get it now.
You see if there's some kind of hanging cells, you know. Oh, okay, me get it though. You see, say, you realize, say, yo, some people are live worse than it. Yeah, man.
The man said, oh, we can't better hang again.
Yeah, man, they don't know, so I eat there. Nice easy rice, is it? That is it, man. Yeah, man. Shot. Right, nothing more, yeah, man.
Yo, can you put me in your mouth?
Yeah, man. Eat, yeah. Properly. Yeah, man, that is it, Leverage Nation. Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You will know the leverage, 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 leverage.